repair kits for you. For the Scania XPI injector, normally we will separate two types because one model is special. The model number is 2872544, and the other is normal type. Due to the two special models, so for the repair kits we also can distinguish. For the repair kits, normally we can select the made in China and the import types. Here is the details for the repair kits. Inside, normally we will have the nozzle, O-ring, and spring, and the nozzle nut, and the inside. Normally we will separate two types. For the shim and for the nozzle nut, these types, two types. And also for the wall, we can supply the package type. Also we can separate to the sample type. This is the noodle. This is a wall noodle. We can supply the made in China and the import type. And for the nozzles, normally we will separate to the 8 holes, 9 holes, and the 10 holes, 3 times. You can give us the inject model number. We will supply you the suitable nozzles. And also we can supply the nozzle separate and with the nozzle tips together. And also for the inside small parts, we also can supply. For example, this is the hole and the piece. And also we can supply the dismounting tools and the repair tools. Later we will show you.